Dexter wants some more Cardi. Dexter? Do you want some Cardi? There's a good boy. Is Dexter a good boy? Dexter eating up all his avocado. Dexter wants some more Cardi? More Cardi? Oh, there's a good boy. There's a good boy, Dexter. Dexter's eating up all his avocado.
There was just one detail we wanted to get straight. There we go. You told us that you went home at 10:15 and went straight to bed. Yes. We have a witness who says...
Dexter wants some more Cardi? Oh, yes, please, Mummy. Yes, please.